Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher and I'm an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database PsycInfo. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our online databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with lettered tabs at the top and by subject on the right. PsycInfo begins with the letter P, so I'll go ahead and click the letter P tab. Once I find my database, I'll go ahead and click on its name. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about learning disabilities and children, you simply put each term or each concept in its own box. Now that I've typed in both my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all of its contents that contain the two terms you've searched for. To access any article, simply click on its title. You'll be taken directly to the article record. This section provides author listings and publication facts and an abstract. To view the PDF of the article, click on the Download button on the right side of your screen. This has been a brief tutorial in using PsycInfo. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.